Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's Double Knitted Brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to work the Blip-Free right-leaning single decrease with setup. Now, I've already worked the single decrease setup in the previous row, so I've come back to the point where I want to make the actual decrease, and you can see I've got two knit stitches adjacent to each other sharing one pearl coloured yarn over, followed by two adjacent blue pearl stitches sharing one brown yarn over. So that's the product of the decrease setup, and here's how to work the right leaning single decrease with that setup. Starting off as always with my knit coloured yarn over the top of the right needle behind the work and my pearl coloured yarn at the front. All I'm going to do is I'm going to knit those two stitches together with their yarn over, standard knit two tog, but with an extra yarn over in place. Work the yarn over manoeuvre, taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work over the top of the right needle and then coming to the front between the two needles, then bringing the knit coloured yarn to the front between the two needles as well. Then I'm going to slip the first stitch with its yarn over, with the shared yarn over, just the stitch and the yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right. Then this time I'm going to slip just the yarn over knitwise, going back from the right needle to the left. Then I can slip the second stitch with the shared yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right, and then slip all three strands purlwise this time from the right needle to the left. This has remounted everything on the needle so that I can work the matched pair for the knit two together, which is the SSP. That's the SS part. Now just to purl those three strands together through the back legs, coming towards me like so, using my pearl coloured yarn. And then I finish everything off as always by taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work. As you can see here, having those two knit coloured stitches under one shared yarn over means there's nothing there to form a colour blip. So this is a beautifully flat and wonderfully simple way of creating blip-free decreases. That's on leaning to the right on the front of the fabric, turning it over, you can see another blip-free decrease leaning over to the left. And that is the blip-free right leaning single decrease with setup.